Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Krishna Saputra. I'm from class B, and here I would like to explain about my poster. The title is Improving Student Speaking Performance Through Vlog. Belinda Mandesari and Diah Aminatun, English Education Technocrat University 2020. Presented by Aditya Krishna Saputra. The abstract. The effect of using technology towards the student performance the currently well now is flawed. This study aimed at identifying the improvement of the student performance after learning English using vlog. The design of the research is quantitative study in which the researcher employed pre-test and post-test. The result of pre-test and post-test were analyzed by using statistic descriptive and statistic inferential. Introduction. In English, language learning speaking skill is important to be tough in order to have a specific way to improve student speaking skill. Technology innovation will be implemented. Vlog is chosen because it can be defined as a medium for communication in the form of online broadcasts, which is created of and posted. Employing vlog can be an alternative way to practice speaking English strengthen self-confidence. Method. The participants of the research were 40 students majoring in English Education Study Program Universitas Teknorat Indonesia. They learned transactional conversation and were closed by using purposive sampling. Data collection. In order to measure the student performance on their speaking, the researcher employed pre-test and post-test to measure their speaking performance. Then, the researcher got complete score of student pre-test and post-test. Data analysis. The steps in analyzing the data were: number 1, the researcher differ student score of pre-test and post-test. Number 2, the researcher find out the main score of pre-test of post-test. And the last, the researcher test the normality distribution of the data. The researcher find the result of the interpret of the data. Result and discussion. Result and discussion. In this study, the researcher wanted to measure the increase to student performance, especially in speaking skill. Therefore, the researcher conducted a pre-test and post-test. Furthermore, the test result of processed and analyzed. The result of pre-test and post-test data processing can be seen in the table I. Table 1. Show the that average value of the post-test in greater than the value of pre-test with range 6.10. The standard definition of pre-test in 4 and post-test allegation. Indifferentive in the 5 average base was carried out with the previous data normality test using the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test with the following result. Table 2. Based on table 2, it can be seen that the value of SIG post value pretest in 0 and 007, which is less than 0 at 05, and the post-test is 0 at 046, which is more than 0 at 05. If the groups are not normally distributed, the two difference test is continued by using result of the means. Binary U tests are pre-test and post-test as follows. This result indicate that the value of sig p-value of 0,000 is less than 0.05, which means then that there are significant differences between the mean of pre-test and the post-test. As a result, there is in the influence of learning transactional conversation by using a video blog or vlog to increase student learning performance. In the other words, there is significant increase in student performance during using a vlog as a medium of learning English, especially in speaking skill. Conclusion. Based on the result of the discussion above, it can be concluded that there is significant increase in the student performance after using vlog in learning English, especially in speaking skill. It was proven that the value of sig p-value is 0,000 and 0.05, which means that there are significant differences between the mean of pre-test and post-test choice. It is suggested by the vlog can be one of an alternative tool to support English language teaching and learning. I think it's enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.